welcome in today's maths class. So students, we are doing unit 8 simplification of numerical expressions. So this is your worksheet 3 that we are going to do. So students, the question is simplify the following numerical expression. So students, this question we have to solve by applying DMAS method. DMAS, what is DMAS? I have explained in online class. In these questions, when two signs comes together, then we use their DMAS. DMAS means division we will solve first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So by applying this method, we will solve this question. It is 1.1 plus 2.5 minus 1.5. So first we will solve addition, then we will do subtraction. So when you add 1.1 plus 2.5, then we get 3.6. Then students, after that write down minus 1.5 as it is. Now we will subtract this 1.5 from 3.6. So look here how to subtract 3.6 minus 1.5. Write point under point and write 5 in the after point and 1 before point under 3.6. 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2.1. This is the answer. So very simple. Remember DMAS and then do the questions. Let's do next question. Now B part is 2.3 plus 1.2 multiply 0.5 minus 0.9. So again we will apply here DMAS. So DMAS in here, division is not here, so multiplication is here. So multiplication we will do first. So we will multiply 1.2 multiply by 5. So students, when you are multiplying a decimal numbers, just ignore decimal. So 12 multiply 5 is 60. But students, these are decimal numbers, so we have to apply decimal. Now count here after point 1 decimal digit. After point there is 1 digit, and here also after point 1 digit. So it means 1 plus 1, 2 digits. So we have to apply here point after 1 digit, after 2 digits from the right side. From the right side, after 2 digits we have to apply point. So here we will write point, and this before point we can write 0. 0.60. So the product is 0.60. So we will write here 2.3 as it is, plus the product is 0.60. So we will write 0.60 minus 0.9. Now students, next step, addition. Addition we will do. So we will add 2.3 in 0.60. So 0.60 already written here. We will write here 2.3 under this. Write point under point. So add it now. So it is 0, 6 plus 3, 9, 0.2 plus 0, 2. So the addition of these two numbers is 2.90. Now minus 0.9 is there. So we will subtract 0.9 from 2.90 now. So write point under point, 0 under 2 and 9 under 9 minus. So it is 9 minus 9, 0.2 minus 0 is 2. So 2 is the answer. No need to write 0.00 because after point is 0, 0 it means nothing. So the answer is 2. 2 is the answer. Let's do next question. C part, students, question is 28.9 minus 20.8 plus 3.9. So students, apply here DMAS. There is no division, no multiplication. Addition and subtraction is here. So students, first we will do addition, after that we will do subtraction. But students, look here, if you will add 20.8 plus 3.9, then your answer will be wrong. Why? Because this 20.8 is a negative number. Why negative? Because before 20 there is a negative sign. So it means this is a negative number. This is not positive number. And this 3.9 is a positive number because here is a positive sign, plus sign. And this 28.9 is also positive because before this 28.9 there is no sign. No sign means this is a positive number. So we can add 28.9 and 3.9. Okay, we can't add 20.8 and 3.9 because one is positive number and one is negative number. We can't add positive and negative number. We only add positive numbers. So we will add 20.9 and 3.9. So just write down 28.9 plus 3.9. Write down first it and then minus 20.8. You can write in this way also. Now students, we will add 28.9 and 3.9. 28.9, 3.9. So it is 32.8. 32.8. When you add it, then it is 32.8. So we will write here 32.8. Now minus 20.8. Now we can subtract 20.8 from 32.8. So write here 20.8 in this way and subtract it. 8 minus 8 0, 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 2 1. So the answer is 12. No need to write 0.0 because 0.0 means nothing. So 12 is the answer. This is the answer. And students, one more thing, you can do this question in another way also. Firstly, if you subtract 20.8 from 28.9, then if you will subtract 20.8 from 28.9, then you can get 8.1. If you will subtract first, you can do this question also in this way. Then you can get 8.1 plus 3.9. When you add both the numbers, then you get 12. Okay, so this question you can do in this way also. Next question students, D part. 5.3 plus 6 multiply 0.05 minus 2.1. Again D mass apply here. Multiplication we will do first. Ignore point. So it is 6 multiply 5. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Now apply point. After point there is 2 digits. So here we will write point after 2 digits from the right side. So apply point here. So point 0.30. Now write here 5.3 plus 0.30 minus 2.1. Students, after that addition we will do. So add 5.3 in 0.30. So 5.3 we will add here in this way. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 here is nothing. So 0 we will write as it is. 5 plus 0 is 5. So it is a 5.60 minus 2.1 we will write. Now we will subtract 2.1 from 5.60. So 2.1 write in this way minus. Subtract it. So when you subtract it, then you get 3.50. Because look here, 0, 6 minus 1, 5 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3.50. This is the answer. Now students, 2 parts left of this worksheet. Try to do that 2 parts. If any problem, then we will discuss in live class. Do these questions according to the method of apply D mass and then you can get answers correctly. Okay students, till then, okay, bye, take care, thank you.